time at this bar. What the hell am I doing with my life?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
It's always the same thing every night since the divorce. The bar and a pool table call my name almost nightly. And nightly, I seem to answer its call. Getting all decked out for the ladies, thinking about putting back a few cold ones and just getting wasted.
Just you and me. Just you and me.
I'd like to find something better to do, but I never seem to find it. Pool is just about the only thing I got figured out in this world. The game is kind of like a tiny representation of what my life has become. Everything used to be in unison, placed perfectly in a uniform way. And one thing came along and fucked that all up. And now I lost her. God, I miss that girl. Now I'm just trying to clear the table so I can find my way back to that unity. Time to get to work. Three ball, corner pocket. Doing with my life? I wonder what those girls are like. Probably just more trouble. Oh, that song. Someone played that song. Now there's the one. That girl is definitely my idea of perfection. She thinks I'm a freak though. She never wants to talk to me. Wish I knew why. God. can't this be as simple as playing pool? Life is passing me by and I don't understand this game. I don't think I ever did.
And temptation strong. A woman's only human. You should understand. She's not just a plaything. She's flesh and blood. Just